So we're gonna make a random game. No, random magic 8 ball. Sorry, random answer generator. So this is what it does. And we're gonna use CSS, jQuery, and PHP to do it. So make sure you have XAMPP installed. It's in my htdocs right here. But we're gonna make another one. So it crashed. That just turns off. So eight ball. Alright, so we're gonna create 8 ball. We have Sublime text open. This is compass. It's like precursor to what you call it, CSS, but we're not gonna learn about it. So it's just basically Sass, and then compass is a library. So we're gonna create new. This is HTML. I'm gonna do page first. I should do PHP first. It's easier. Alright, so PHP tab. This is HTML. I have to do that. Doesn't mean open. First, we're gonna define a variable. So $. Sorry, can't spell today. Num. I'll be a random using the random library. It comes equipped in so you want a 5. Comes equipped in let's just try it out. It's an echo 1 through 5. Let's call this. Make sure to go to the htdocs. So it'll be 8 ball. Call this rand PHP, and then we're gonna open this. There's an 8 ball. Okay, we're gonna localhost 8 ball. See, that's what it does. It's like a number generator. Yeah, with dice. Very easy. It's just 2 lines of code. You can make like 1 through 6. So, yeah. I'm gonna call this answer. I'm gonna create a switch statement, and we're gonna have num. The thing about switch statements, it only can have answers and numbers. So you can't have like if and then with like equals to a string or something. Switch statements are only numbers. So you only can like create like a random number generator to answer questions. So case 1, and then first answer. I want to make it. So basically the number will generate, and then if it hits 1, it'll answer that. So first answer is gonna be yes. Gonna break it, and then it's gonna be case 2. Second answer is gonna be no. We're gonna do something 5, so let's copy and paste this. Be very careful. Okay, that's do it. Oh, I forgot the break. That should do it. So this needs a break. Semicolon. Don't forget semicolons. 3, 4, 5. So it's me yes, no, maybe. Outlook not so good. Outlook not so good. And this is gonna be great. Naturally. Please try again. Try that. Control save. Then we're gonna see it random generates the answer already. Let's cycle through all of them. So we're gonna create a button that clicks through this. So basically, the main engine is done. This is the random. I showed you how to make a random number generator, which is basically you create a variable, use a rand function. So the rand function. See rand. You didn't really ensure, do you? See, you see echo rand through 5 to 15, like that. So it will generate a number between 5 to 15, and rand will just make a really big number. It's like a min and max. So smallest to largest. So integer is the smallest or largest. You can create like variables outside of this, but the only reason why you use int rand is like because of C. So this is very similar to C, because in C you have to define all your variables. Like I don't know, for example, like in JavaScript we like var hello equals to hello, but in C it'll be like string or something like that, and define it that way. So yeah, and then we're done with the script. So this is our engine already. We made our engine, so save that. And next we're gonna create an index.html. So let's do syntax HTML tab 8-ball, and then we're gonna create this as the index.html. I hope it's put in the correct folder. Yeah, it's in the correct folder. Next we're gonna go grab jQuery. That's how I do it. So I copy a snippet right here. Bam, bam, bam. I put on the bottom because if you don't, you gotta do document ready. If you put like in the top in the head, you gotta put document ready. And yeah, you don't have to. I don't want to. I'm lazy. But this is how you're supposed to do it. So basically it's gonna load everything up, and then it should. That's a style. I'm gonna style things. Okay, let's create the form. Just leave this blank because you actually could put the CSS elsewhere, but I'm putting it on top, and also putting the script within this same page because I don't want to create new files because I don't like creating new files. Just too much things going on. So we're gonna do some CSS. I'm using Emmet, so yeah. So it's gonna be left dot left, bam, tab, and then I'm gonna create an input, self-closing, br, and then your answer as well. And then I'm gonna create another div, create right div. I'm gonna call this answer. And I'm gonna create a button. The class will be called refresh. Button's created. I'll create my button to say take a spin. Alright, let's get styling. So the page will look like that. but we gotta style it. So let's give it some style. So first we're gonna have left class. Give it a width of 200 pixels. Next, we're gonna have a background color of CCCC. Float left, because we want to float left. Height. This is not CSS class, so I'm just flying through this really quick. Text align. Center. Let's see. Font size 25 pix. Padding. Padding is 40 pix. It's in clockwise, so I think it's up, down, left, right. It's in clockwise, so up, right. It's clockwise, so this should be up. Yeah. And then we're gonna make a right with 300 pix. So we're gonna style this up. We're gonna see the style real quick. Also float this left. Why is it not blue? I think I did something wrong. Margin left, and then we're gonna do 10 pix. Background color. Let me get 3333. Color of the font. For the height. 20 pix. Font size 20 pix. Position relative. And we'll do some padding. It's gonna be 20 pix, 10 pix, 10 pix, 10 pix. And we're gonna do refresh. Position absolute. Right 5 pix. Top 5 pix. And then we're gonna check it out. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna ask it something, and it's gonna give an answer right here. Okay. Alright, let's start with the jQuery. Alright, we're gonna create. Let's just grab document ready. This is the shorthand, and this is like document ready. It's up to you whatever one you want to use. So basically, just grab it, copy and paste, put it in. You need a console log. You can do alert. You can alert. Actually, read document right. It's ready. Let's check this out. Okay. Yeah, see? It's good. Your jQuery is working. So it replaces everything though. So alright, we're gonna select this is AJAX, so this is the first time in AJAX. We're gonna do a get. So we're gonna try to grab it from my fake API, which is my ran.php. Funny stuff, yeah. Okay. Semicolon. I'm gonna create a function. Function is always parentheses, curly bracket. Yeah, like that. Always look like that. So we're gonna do an AJAX call. We're gonna object lateral. So makes it very easy. So URL is gonna be, what did I name this? Ran.php should work. And we're gonna do get all caps. When it's done, we're gonna, because it's gonna be on the click, so whenever it clicks, it's gonna work. So we're gonna put data semicolon. Sorry, it's very advanced stuff. Let's see. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna spit out right here. So basically, when I click it, it's gonna grab my random number generator, and then grab the random answers from number generator, and spit it out here in the p tag. What? Should not be. Oh. Should not be in the piece. Sorry. Should be outside p tag. Should look pretty right there though. Like this. And then it looks like that. There you go. That's very pretty. And then we're gonna spit it back out and answer the class right here, the p tag. It can be anything. HTML. Then I'm gonna spit out data. Okay, and let's check it out. It's not working. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not local. It's not server. So we're gotta go eat ball. And it's working. Yeah, awesome, done. So I go, gorgeous, maybe. I use the spacing on the right. CSS padding, how that work? Top right to the right. Give it 20 pixels. Maybe use a little bit of margin. It's gone. Yeah, give it a little space. Maybe 5. No. Doesn't affect it anyway. This is not affected anyway. That's been the answer. Padding right. Let's get 10, 20 pixels. See how that looks. No, it's not. Here's the margin right. Let's try that. Let's overflow. try that. No, wrong one. Sorry, that's why it didn't work. Change position of 20. There you go. That's much better. So you want to make the button bigger. You can make the refresh. Just give it padding. It's a big button. Let's make it. That's too big. So you make the button big. Margin top, you move it a little bit, but I don't want to make the button big. Something like that. And then what else can I do? Just refresh. Do what's it? The corners. Oh, it's CSS border radius. Border radius like something like that. That's too drastic. Let's make it like 20. Let's make it. So yeah, so I taught you how to make magic 8-ball. So that's basically it. So it's basically a switch statement. We create a script to call the script with AJAX. So you learn some AJAX you're gonna get from me. You learn document ready. We did some CSS. We did some HTML. So basically all that just for this small little random generator program, just to do this. So pretty cool. Well, till next time, guys. I hope you learned something, and that's about it.